Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss to you guys about insertion sort algorithm using C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, we have here sharp include IOStream for input output in C++ using namespace, and then I have here a function insertion sort. So we have here an array, one-dimensional array. The variable is r and n, no? Int I, k, and j using for loop statement. For I equals 1, I less than 1, I increment, begin, k, we store the value of array here. J equals I minus 1. Using while loop statement, we do some comparison of values or elements. J greater than or equals to 0 and array j greater than k. Array j plus 1 equals array j. So there is a incremental here in decremental, no? J minus minus close array j plus 1 equals key, close the for loop the for loop statement, and then the body of our insertion sort function. In the main function, it is the starting point of every C++ program. I declare an array here, and then I have a series of values: negative 45, 89, 23 to negative 89, 34, negative 78. The title of our program, insertion sort in C++, and int n, size of array, this value, divide by size of element 0. So the first value is negative 45. Here we display the original value using for loop statement, and then we have here new line sorted values. We call the insertion sort function array and n. Okay, so n is the size of the array, no? So how many elements that we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elements, and then we display now the sorted value here using for loop statement, and then we have return 0, return to our operating system. In the right curly bracket of the main function, we close. As I said earlier guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our online GDB to run the program. Okay, we have here insertion sort in C++, original values negative 45, 89, 23 to negative 89, 34, negative 78. Sorted values, we have negative 89, negative 78, negative 45 to 23, 34, and 89. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video about insertion sort in C++ programming language. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.